Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Dhodi and today we are briefly explaining planning process. So let's start with the planning of meaning of planning. Planning is ascertaining prior to what to do and how to do. It is one of the primary managerial duties. Before doing something, the manager must form an opinion on how to work as specific job. Planning process. As planning is an activity, there are certain responsible measure for every manager to follow. Planning process. First one, perception of opportunities is not strictly a part of the planning process, but this awareness of opportunities in the external environment as well as within the organization is the real starting point for planning. It is important it is important to take a prim, preliminary look at possible future opportunities and see them clearly and completely. Second, establishing objective. This is the second step in the planning process. The major organization and unit objective are set in this stage. This is to be done for the long term as well as for the short range objective. Specific the expected result and indicate the end point of what is to be done, where the primary emphasis is to be placed and what is to be accomplished by the various types of plans. Planning premises. After determination of organizational objective, the next step is the establishing planning premises, that is the condition under which planning activities will be undertaken. Planning premises are planning assumptions, the expected environmental and internal conditions. The fourth step in planning is identifying the alternatives. Various alternatives can be identified based on the organizational objectives and planning premises. The concept of various alternatives suggests that a particular objective can be achieved through various actions. Fifth, evaluation of alternatives. The various alternatives course of action should be analyzed in the light of premises and goals. There are various techniques available to evaluate alternatives. The evaluation is to be done in the light of various factors. For example, cash, cash inflow and outflow, risk, limited resources, etc. The alternative should give the best chance of meeting our goals at the lowest cost and highest profit. Advantages of planning process. Planning facilities management by objective. Planning begin with the determination of objective. It highlights the purpose for which various activities are to be undertaken. In fact, it makes objective more clear and specific. Second, planning premises uncertainties. Business is full of uncertainties. There are risks of various types due to uncertainties. Planning helps in reducing uncertainties of future as it involves anticipations of future event. Planning facility coordination. Planning revolves around organizational goals. All activities are directed toward common goals. It helps in finding out problems of work, fi- finding out problems of work performance and aim at rectifying the same. Fourth, planning improve employees' morale. Planning create an atmosphere of order and discipline in organization. Employees know employees know employees know in the advance what is expected of them, and therefore conformity can be achieved easily. Thank you for the listening me. Thank you everyone.